Welcome back to Disruptors Unleashed, the series that explores the disruptive technologies shaping our world and the trailblazers igniting change across industries. Previously, we looked at how the virtual twin is transforming healthcare, especially the way medical devices are designed, manufactured, and approved. Today, we'll shift gears and head into the world of high-tech engineering. What does collaboration bring into the development and delivery of high-tech products and systems? Let's find out with Michel Moncelier and Lou Feinstein from Dassault Systems.
Welcome to our conversation about collaborative high-tech innovation. We all know how incredibly fast-paced this innovation is, with the cloud and AI now providing additional boosts. Today, let's dive into the pivotal role of optimizing people and team efficiency, which is a decisive yet often overlooked lever in the pursuit of high-tech excellence. With me today, we have Michel Moncelier and Lou Feinstein, two of our senior experts for high-tech innovation. Hello, Lou and Michel.
Hi, Nino.
Hello, Nino.
Lou, you've been in the industry for a few years now, and you've been in so many different key roles from engineering to consulting, sales and strategy, just to get one. Any comments to the situation I just mentioned?
Absolutely. From talking to and talking with so many high-tech innovators and also continued industry research, we know that the demand for faster innovation with an imperative to achieve more or less. Indeed, life is still getting more complicated every day, but I'm happy to share with you some ways that how we can help mitigate that headache.
Thanks, Lou. And I'm looking forward to what Michel will share with us too. Michel, your experiences ranges from sales to consulting and to product management. Now, how can we and our partners help high-tech companies to square that circle?
That's a great question. It's actually in many ways. To make it simple, we see three levers for our customers to conduct efficiency improvements. First, by enabling a smooth collaboration all the way from ideation to product release. Second, by leveraging the right toolset. And last, by sharing, growing, and capitalizing know-how. But most importantly, however, these three levers complement and reinforce each other, creating a lot of synergies.
So we see the value in using all three levers simultaneously, right? Let's talk about the first lever, enabling smooth collaboration. Lou, what's your observation and recommendations?
Well, first and foremost, going beyond pure data sharing, teams need to have a common shared project space. This space becomes what we would consider the digital hub, where tasks, ideas, and collaboration can happen seamlessly, no matter where the team's members are located. Now, when we talk about project spaces, they should be contextual and show that everyone can easily find what they need, so they can understand the relationships between various pieces of information that's creating an environment that supports unique needs of each individual project.
Indeed, adaptability is key, and all teams are different, so are the people within them actually.
Yeah, actually, that's really important. Project spaces should be flexible and adaptable to accommodate these differences, because one size does not fit all, and this can really cause problems to happen. So every enterprise has diversity, but let's keep in mind that the simplicity and intuitiveness. Project spaces should be easy to use with visual aids like Kanban boards and agile development or poster-like style interface, all while being paperless, shareable, and traceable.
Exactly. The real magic happens when project spaces inspire collaboration. High-performance environments that are easy to navigate and interact with can drive teams to achieve their best. It's about creating an environment where collaboration is natural and inspiring.
And speaking of inspiration, active collaboration stimulates innovation, right?
That's the point. When all projects participants have real-time visibility into what others are doing, then they get inspired by each other and become more creative than what they would do when working separately. It's like a virtual brainstorming session that's always active.
So, can say that creating a shared project space that goes beyond pure data sharing is more than a nice to have? Is it actually essential?
Indeed, it should be contextual, adaptable, and simple and easy to use, and most importantly, inspiring for collaboration. Because when teams collaborate efficiently, they can achieve amazing results and drive innovation to new heights.
Sounds good. And here is another aspect about teaming. How about the ability to focus collaboration on the right things that truly matter?
That's so important indeed. Teams often have to spend too much time and energy in searching for information and data that could be made more easily accessible to them and more traceable. It's about channeling our collaborative efforts toward important, value-added topics rather than getting lost in administrative tasks and error mitigation.
Okay. Can you give an example?
Sure. When it comes to early project phases, creativity is paramount. Team members need the freedom to brainstorm and create in a free-flowing spirit. However, it's equally essential to have a transparent structure to capitalize on those creative moments. This structure allows us to revisit previous ideas, concepts, versions, ensuring that all valuable insights are capitalized within the creative process. And as projects progress and ideas take shape, then the need for synchronization becomes more apparent. Design feeds into engineering in an iterative journey, and this requires continuous coordination. Then, cross-discipline visibility on project progress fosters a sense of involvement and assurance that everything is under control. It's kind of having a GPS for your project's journey.
In all of this, let's not forget that collaboration needs to be real time with low latency and with high security in today's environment. To achieve this, using the cloud solution with an intelligent, high-performance distributed infrastructure is necessary. In a world where remote work is prevalent, having access to a robust, secure, and responsive platform ensures that collaboration is smooth, efficient.
Okay, great. Now, let's move to the second aspect, and let's look at the importance of leveraging the right tools for the right actions at the right time. In today's digital age, tools are the backbone of productivity and innovation.
Absolutely. I think that first and foremost, it's important to understand tools contain knowledge and drive productivity. At the same time, they must evolve with higher, ever-changing requirements of today's work. Just as technology advances, so should our tools. High-tech teams want to ensure that their tools are interconnected and continuously simplified. To prevent the proliferation of disparate systems, this cohesion facilitates the seamless collaboration and effective workflows.
So, inclusivity is really key when putting advanced tools into the hands of engineers and business professionals.
Correct. Now, speaking of engineers, beyond design tools for mechanical parts, electronics, and software, simulation takes a center stage. With exploration capacity, in high-tech industries, we see now that comprehensive 360 simulations, including material stress, vibration, thermal, electromagnetic, and signal integrity simulations, now really become innovation enablers.
Indeed, early simulations are really a game changer. It allows for the exploration of multiple options in various conditions without the need for costly prototypes. This democratizes simulation expertise, can boost innovation in early stages of product development.
The era of physical testing as the main approach is over. To innovate efficiently, we can now use morphable virtual twins that offer infinite configuration potential, allowing our customers to explore disruptive solutions that were previously unimaginable.
I like morphable, but tools are not just for engineers. They're equally important for business professionals like product and project managers, right?
Often forgotten indeed. Tools for these roles can help a lot of us to innovate while reducing time to market Take facilitating tasks like market and comprehensive research. These are no longer manageable manually in today's fast-paced world.
In high tech, understanding consumer feedback and competitive landscapes is vital. It helps teams stay focused on what truly matters for customers and consumers, ensuring that time and resources are used efficiently and purposefully.
For instance, project managers no longer need to chase engineers for status updates and issue reports. With a single source of truth and data intelligence, they have immediate access to relevant information, allowing them to manage projects more efficiently.
Right. So it's obvious that when you combine the use of the right tools with enhanced collaboration among team members, you not only achieve efficiency, but you also create synergies and mutual reinforcement.
Correct. It's all about leveraging technology to its highest potential to drive collaborative innovation and efficiency at the same time.
Perfect. So let's talk about our last lever, which is about sharing, growing, and capitalizing on know-how, which is a cornerstone of innovation and success in the high-tech industry.
Absolutely. Knowledge and know-how are the lifeblood of innovation. They come in many forms. High-tech company, regardless of size, grapple with the challenges such as an aging workforce, intellectual knowledge sharing, and even such mundane things like making knowledge accessible and secure.
I agree. We see that high-tech innovation thrives on cross-cultural, multidiscipline collaboration. This diversity of perspectives, often coming from different backgrounds and cultures, gives birth to disruptive ideas that transcend individual or peer group thinking.
Indeed, knowledge is not confined to organizations or functional boundaries. Companies are eager to tap into what we consider tribal knowledge from communities and informal networks, recognize the value of insights that can emerge from such unexpected places.
Sharing knowledge must be easy and intuitive, deeply embedded in a company's culture. A common platform enhanced by 3D visualization and contextualized information is a powerful catalyst for knowledge capitalization and growth.
And how about model-based systems engineering for effective knowledge sharing and accessibility?
That's an excellent example. Model-based systems engineering facilitates solution, architecture, structure, requirements formalization, and the streamlining of downstream processes, contributing a lot to the continuous success of projects.
Another vital example is what we call the front-loading of process engineering and manufacturing know-how. Proper product architecture definition and design are essential for leveraging available manufacturing technologies and capacities. In fact, often you can turn this around and realize that good product engineering is actually impossible without the presence of deep manufacturing know-how.
So true, Michelle. In addition, this challenge arises at global value network, especially when working with partners worldwide. Luckily, the cloud emerges as a powerful facilitator for knowledge and capitalization, enabling a single shared and secure environment that transcends corporate and geographical boundaries.
Well, that's great. Now, may we conclude that rather than treating IT and processes and know-how separately, companies can embrace a holistic approach?
Yes, indeed. This approach generates synergies that empower people and ecosystems, driving innovation and efficiency.
And ultimately, it holds promise of breakthrough, sustainable innovation that benefits both business and the planet.
Thank you so much, Lou and Michelle.
Disruptors Unleashed is produced by Dassault Systems. For more episodes, follow us on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Deezer, or your nearest audio streaming platform. To learn more about Dassault Systems, visit us at 3ds.com.